Here. I got it. Hand it to me. It's gonna be way cooler back here. It's running. Gotta hit the button. Huh? You gotta hit the button. What button? It's not recording? I don't know. This way, I think it's way cooler when you see the driver and everything.
Pretty impressive in the rain.
Very cool. Whoa.
Amazing. Very impressive. This is incredible. This is amazing. It has not slipped a single time. It has not done anything. Yeah. Very, very cool.
Is you alright?
Yeah. I'm just kidding.
Jeez, that was
You thought it was serious. Wow.
One of his rear sensors popped.